Welcome back, guys. It's Monday morning here, and today we're having a look at the Bitcoin price chart. And what we can see is from last week, what we had played out pretty well so far. We're still waiting for price to move down to our support level here and to see if it'll hold or not, but we've got a very volatile week, so we'll see what happens. Here's just a little preview from what we anticipated last week on Thursday. $6,000 region, topping out here at about 96.3. So how do I think price is going to play out based on that information? I think it's very likely we see a move up into this 96.3. This is 96.3 here, 96.3 region, maybe even poke a little bit higher in it into trapping some people to go long. And then it's very likely we see a rejection from that level and we see some kind of pullback. So for this week, I'm still looking for the same thing to play out. I'm waiting for price to get down to support here. We have a very big, very volatile week. We have Fed week this week. So FOMC on Wednesday. Last time we had a look at this, it was a 97% chance for them to keep rates the same. Now it's 94.8. So maybe there's a chance they cut rates, maybe they keep them the same, but still looking for a few things to play out. First thing I'm looking for to play out here on Bitcoin is price to actually move back up into this range. If this temporary low holds here at 93,580, I'm looking for a move to roughly 96.6 here. And looking for a short entry right here. Likely that price may move up to here, and then this may trigger a nice short for us. If this doesn't end up playing out, I'm either looking for price to fall down from here, like so, and then eventually break down to our next level of support, which is down here. And that's how I'm thinking the week's going to go so far. There's a few earnings reports coming out this week, including Coinbase, but I think most likely result is we end up down here back testing the support by the end of the week. However, the ideal situation to take a short this week would be a move up to this price level before then shorting from here to there. Until then, seeing what plays out. I'm really hoping for this situation here, but I'll keep you guys updated in a few days. Just to clarify, I'm actually not looking to take any trades this week except for this short here at 96.5 or potentially a long down here off supports, but I am going to wait to see how price plays out down at this support level, although I think it should be a pretty good support level as we've had resistance here multiple times and it looks like a likely place for price to hold. Otherwise, there's also a CME gap here, but we're going to see how price plays out, and the only trade we're looking to take is if we get price to bounce back up in here on some positive news or just a fake out. This would be an ideal place to take a short, and our short would look something like so. Probably have a 50% TP at this low here, and then the rest full TP in this zone here. So that's my outlook for the rest of the week. Hope you guys enjoyed. Also, feel free to hit that like button and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. See you next time.